An anterior pelvic tilt is when your pelvis, which consists of your pubic and your hip bones, are rotated forward. And this is usually due to a muscle imbalance of the lower body. Your hip flexors and your quads are overreactive and tight, and then your glutes, your lower abdominals, and your hamstrings are weak. And this is usually due to being in a seated position for too long. There are many exercises and stretches that can help correct this postural distortion. The first one is just a common hip flexor stretch. You're going to get down on one knee with the other one bent at a 90-degree angle, and you're going to push your hips forward just enough so you feel a nice stretch on the front of your thigh. You're going to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds for 5 reps. Chiropractic adjustments are also very helpful in correcting this posture, especially ones to your lumbar spine. Your hip flexors originate on your upper lumbar vertebra, so adjustments to this area can help reduce tightness and tension. Hi, I'm Dr. Bobby. Please click on the link above or below for more information on what chiropractic adjustments can do for you.